It's actually Kerala Story, which is in theatres, but also the Supreme Court will be hearing the plea filed.
Your party is working with BJP, and that BJP is showing the Kerala Files a distorted story.
Whenever a movie doesn't have traction, theatre owners immediately change the movie, and that's why multiplexes have also changed Kerala Files with other movie which will garner the audience attention. So I don't think there is any need to do any politics.
The Supreme Court will today hear the plea filed by the makers of the film The Kerala Story, seeking the removal of the film's ban in West Bengal and de facto freeze in Tamil Nadu. This comes after the West Bengal government imposed a ban on the film that released on May 5th. The Mamata-led TMC government said that the ban was important to avoid any untoward incidents in the state. While banning the film, West Bengal government had further said that the screening of the film is likely to cause breach of peace. Tamil Nadu has imposed a de facto freeze with the theatre and multiplex owners issuing notices to ban the screening in cinema halls after an alert issued by the state government on possible incidents of violence.
इसके कारण से केरल की फिल्म देखने को मिल रहा है, इसके कारण कश्मीर फाइल्स मिल रहा है। कांग्रेस की सरकार होती तो वो तुष्टीकरण की भेंट तो अब तक कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान को थाल में सौंप देती।
पश्चिम बंगाल में उसको प्रतिबंधित करने का करा गया, उसके बाद तमिलनाडु में कई थिएटर में से हटाई गई मूवी।
देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में प्रतिबंध हटाने की मांग करते हैं, प्लस आने वाले समय में पश्चिम बंगाल का भी सच हिंदुस्तान के सामने आएगा।
नगर निकाय चुनाव का रिजल्ट आया।
नगर निकाय में 17 नगर निगम हमें पूरा विश्वास है भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीतने जा रही है।
The film, and in fact I also was a viewer to the film. I watched the film on the second day, but there has been a lot of furor about how this film is very Islamophobic and people are saying that it should be banned or not. But what does the rule say? What is the law that...
Well, all that we are saying is that once a film has been certified by the CBFC, it must be free for public exhibition. The ban by West Bengal or the shadow ban by Tamil Nadu, we are saying is not correct, is illegal, in view of the fact that in Prakash Shah's case in Arakshan also, once a certification has been granted, the exhibition must continue. And that's all that we are seeking. And also we are challenging the power under the local regulations to ban this film. The examining committee of the censor board has viewed the film. There are people, 5 people in terms of members who've seen it from different walks of life, from different communities. And therefore all this is really water under the bridge, over the duck's back, because ultimately the film has been certified. And that's the law. Once certification has been granted, the exhibition must be unfettered.
My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, our legal correspondent, is joining us on the broadcast. Very good morning to you, Ananya. Ananya, what do the judicial precedents show? For instance, you were speaking to Vipul Shah's lawyer about the law, and he spoke about the case of Arakshan when that came up in the courts. So what is the sort of precedent that has been set when it comes to a state ban on a film?
Well, the state ban on a film is due to, the cinema a particular state, like in the state of West Bengal, and in fact, seen how, in fact, this petition that's been filed by the makers of this movie has been, challenging this particular ban, is saying that, this local cinema laws are not nothing but to barge into the film, screening and to stop it. But at the same point of time, we have to remember the case of Prakash Singh versus Union of India, wherein the movie Arakshan was under the challenge, or do we see that, there are various other precedents, like in the case of Padmavat. If at all a film actually receives a CBFC certification, the film has been passed by the censor board, it is a very, very slew and a very small chance that Ben could sustain on that particular film. But at the same point of time, if at all this stance has been taken by the West Bengal government, and we've just seen in the morning today, our reporters shared from West Bengal that, there is some kind of intelligence input that there could be French groups and all. But true that whether that statement would be made before the topmost court of the country or not is something that is a matter of time. We'll get to know in a short while from now when the matter actually comes up before the bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice Chandrachud. Shilpa.
Absolutely, Ananya. Also, so many reactions coming in to the ban. Let's take a look.
Law and order is a problem of the state. So Mamata Banerjee has no personal resentment, and she doesn't have any reason to have any resentment against Kerala movie. But after some incidents in some parts of our country, mainly Tamil Nadu and all that, so it was the police report perhaps. And as the Chief Minister and as the Home Minister, she had no other option than to protect the people of Bengal.
ये पिक्चर सही मायनों में समाज के हर व्यक्ति को देखनी चाहिए। जिस तरह से जिहादी मानसिकता और जिस तरह से लड़कियों को बहला फुसलाकर उनका धर्म परिवर्तन कराकर उनको आतंकवाद के रास्ते पर धकेला गया है, इस पिक्चर में उस कड़वी सच्चाई को दिखाया गया है और साथ ही साथ उससे बचने के उपाय भी बताए गए हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि समाज में प्रत्येक महिला को कम से कम ये पिक्चर जरूर देखनी चाहिए, कम से कम हमारी बच्चियों को ये पिक्चर जरूर देखनी चाहिए। ये पिक्चर सही मायनों में उन लोगों के मुंह पे तमाचा है जो लोग तुष्टीकरण और एक धर्म विशेष की राजनीति करते हैं। पिक्चर का मूल विषय मातृशक्ति से जुड़ा हुआ है।